Filmora 10 have added ton of new features. My name is Baldeep and we will talk about 10 best features in Filmora 10. We will be talking about motion tracking, keyframing, color match, one-click color correction, keyboard shortcut editor, new UI dark light mode, plain text, advanced title, audio ducking, and we will talk about new effects have added in Filmora 10. Let's start. First talk about motion tracking. Motion tracking is a new added feature where you can track any moving object in Filmora 10. You can track one object, you can track multiple objects. In this video, we will tracking only one object. As you can see, I have one video created already and I dropped in my timeline where my daughter Mandy, she is walking. So in this video, we will track her movement. So for this one, you right click on video and you can click on motion tracking, or you can use a keyboard shortcut, or just simply click here and you will see one box will pop up on the screen. You can shrink it and make a size according to your object. In this case, I'm using this box. I'm tracking my daughter Mandy, so I place on top of her. And once you're done, just simply click on motion tracking. It will kind of render, or it will do some kind of process. It will learn the object, and a box will move behind it. In this case, now we have already motion tracking applied. There's a none, and now we have to add something. You can add anything. You can add a photo, element, effect, but I'm using a text. So in this case, I will put one of the text top of our video clip, and we will rename. You can rename anything, any object you want to show. I'm putting her name Mandy. Just a type name, make a adjustment, then place it where you want to follow. So I'm putting around here. Once we're done with the title, just place whatever the location you find, then click OK. Now we are going to click on video. There's a motion window open. It says none here. We have to choose the title. I have like this title. I choose to press OK. Now our motion tracking has been applied on video. You just play your video. You will see the title we have placed on our video. It's just moving, but the object is moving. That's the way you can do motion tracking and Filmora 10. Number 2 is keyframing. By using keyframing, you can add animation to your video. I have a same video in my timeline, and for the animation, I'm choosing a sample color from Filmora library. You can choose anything. You can choose your channel logo. You can choose any video. I made this color same duration as my video, but it's not necessary. You can have a short or you can have a longer, up to you. Now I have a shrink down and place that color in one corner, and you can see this box orange color is not moving, it's not doing anything. Now let's add some animation. You can simply right click on video. From all the instructions or menu, you can click add animation. You will see one of the window pop up. From here you can click add. As soon as you click add, you will see one of the dot has been appear, or it has been placed on a video timeline. That means your animation has been created. Now you can move to the next corner and you will see there is another dot will be pop up, and they will be linked each other. That means from one dot to second dot we have a created animation. Now we will be do same thing. We will move on all four corners. I have a place on the top, and I keep moving my playhead to the next step where I need to move my animation. As I keep doing this one, you will see one dot will appear and they will all link each other. That means animation from one dot to other dot has been applied. So I'm keep going to the four corner, then I will drop in the middle, and I will do some more animation. I will rotate, then I will make opacity 0. So in this video we have used all the animation. We have used a scale, we have used a rotation, we also choose opacity. You can do 4 things in keyframing. Now let's play your video. You will see this little box was not doing anything. Now it has some kind of animation. So by using keyframing, you can add any video, any animation. Now move to number 3, is called color match. For this video I have made it already one video for totally different colors, so we can see big difference, because on small screen you cannot see big difference what Filmora can do. Now I have bring one of the video which one have a totally different color, then I have a drop second my natural video I have a regular color, so nothing wrong with the second video. So first video have a totally different color, second video is normal recorded by my camera. Right click on any video you want to match color and find color match from the option, choose color match. You will see one window will appear. So now we are going to color match video number 2 with video number 1. So what we have to do, you can choose the cursor where you want to match color and say match color. Click on the option match color and your video have already matched color. You can see second video has been applied with the same color on video number 1. Now let's move to feature number 4, one click color correction. Choose any video you want to work on, bring to your project library, then drag and drop in your timeline. From the video, right click and choose option color correction. Once you choose the color correction, there's another window will pop up. There's the first one, it's called one click color correction. It's a preset. You can choose any preset from that option. There's a bunch of options. You can just click once and apply, and that's preset will apply on your video. You don't have to do nothing, just one click color correction. You can also manually adjust your colors and color correction. Now let's move to feature number 5, keyword shortcut editor. Filmora have added new feature where you can edit your keyword shortcut. Just simply go top of the left corner file, then go to keyboard shortcut editor, and you will see there's another window will pop up. There's all the options. You have option for file, you have option for edit, and you can have an option for tools. And right hand side you have a where you can edit all the keyboard shortcut according to your need. Like say if you are working with the Premiere Pro or other software like that, you want to choose same keyword shortcut for editing, you can do, and that will make your life way easier. Like say most of the people like to use keyword shortcut. Now number 6, new UI dark and light mode. Filmora also have added a new feature where you can choose either light mode or dark mode. Go to file, then choose a preference. From the preference there is an option, it's called mode. You can choose light mode or dark mode. I'm on dark mode. Now I have to choose the light mode. If I click, you can see Filmora look have a totally different, because everybody's preference is different. I like the old Filmora, I'm not sure why, but if somebody like little white color, they can choose. I will go back and file preference, then I will choose dark mode. So that's the way you can choose Filmora light or dark mode. Feature number 7, plain text. Filmora 10 had added a new feature called plain text. If you bring your video and a timeline, then you want to add some kind of title, just click on title, and left hand side you will see long list of different kind of titles. All the way bottom we call call out. There are also new title they have added. Top of that one is called plain text. I am the one mostly use a plain text, but mostly I have to go through the lot of options. I have to choose one, then I have to delete and put it again. But in this case it's really easy, just simply go to the plain text. You will see all kind of text. You can also click on the text and you will have some kind of a preset animation. You can give it to animation. You can also have a custom animation. Now just play your video. You have a plain text applied on your video. Now let's move to the feature number 8, advanced title. Filmora also have added a new feature where you can give some kind of a preset animation to your text. Just simply right click on a title and you will see this window. From here you have a two options. First one is called a preset, second is animation. If you click on a preset, and you will see there's a lot of preset, and from the animation you will see there's another 3 options. There are also animation have 3 options. You have a preset, custom, and animation. If you click on animation, there's a list of animation you can apply on your text. If you choose one of the animation, there's also they have added another option. You can also slower or faster the animation just by moving those bars, and they will indicate the animation type. Now we have added some kind of animation on the plain text. You just play, and if you're happy, just click on OK, and your animation has been applied on your title you have on your video. Now let's move to feature number 9, audio ducking. This is also Filmora's amazing feature. I use a lot, I make DIY videos where sometimes I talk, I review some kind of electronics. So I want, when I talk, my music volume, I have added low. When I don't talk, I want to my music volume go high. If you're making video same like that, then you will be amazed by this feature. Like say in this video, I have one video clip where I'm teaching about echo dot, how to factory reset. I'm going to separate the clip. I'm splitting clip according to the sine waves under my video, like audio sine waves, where I'm talking, where I'm not talking. Then just simply bring your audio or your music, whatever you want to apply on your video, just adjust whatever you want to do. Now I'm going to select the clip parts where I'm talking. I will choose all, then right click and will go adjust audio. From the adjust audio, there is an option called lower volume. I will simply tick mark and you will see where I am talking on the video under according to the sine waves of audio. Volume goes low, where I'm not talking, volume goes high. You can also manage custom. You can just have those cursors goes up and down. You can have a middle line still go up and down. You can also go here. You can have like how low you want volume. Like whenever you talk, that volume go really low or high. Now let's move to feature number 10, new effects. Filmora have added a ton of other things, like not only effects, they also have added new elements, new transitions. Now first start with the media library. If you open media library, you will see there's a bunch of more options, simple color and simple video. They have added lot more simple colors and lot more sample videos. Now the next one is audio. If you see the list is a full ton of new audios, plain text, and they also have a call out according. You can see there's a new title, but this library is full with the different kind of titles. The next one is like transitions. There's a tons of new transition. There's a new element, new effects. If you see, those are the effects they have added. They have added 30 more different effects going to use. I use a lot of effects from the new list. There's also image mask. They also added different 2 image masks, like one we have a before like a round circle. Now there's also oval shape they have added. You can choose any one. Now if you go to the element, there's also bunch of new elements. According to Filmora, they have added about like 130 new elements. Also they have added new split screen. So Filmora 10 have tons of loaded features on you want to use. So with that, we have discussed already Filmora 10 new top 10 best features. Hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.